How to register for FAB mobile banking app. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download FAB mobile banking app. To do that, you can head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app and then install it. Once completion of its download process, you can launch it. To use the FAB mobile banking app, you must already have an active bank account with First Abu Dhabi Bank. If you do, let's continue. Click on the option Already a Customer. Now enter your customer identification number (CIN) or Emirates ID, whichever is applicable. Agree with the terms and condition. In the next page, you will be asked to enter your account details, create a username and password, and follow the prompts to complete your setup. To keep your account secure, the app will now guide you through a quick SMS verification step. Enter the code sent to your registered mobile number and you are done. That's it. You are now successfully registered on the FAB mobile banking app. You can now start checking your balance, making transfers, paying bills, and more, all from your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.